Fitting a rudder to a RTM Duo Kayak. I don't expect too many people will want to put a rudder on their kayak. However, for the few that do, here is my take on it. First things first, why did I bother? Well, for the last 4 years I have entered an event called the Round Hayling Island Kayak Event, RIKE for short. Hayling Island is a small island on the south coast of the UK next to Portsmouth. The event is approximately 13 miles long and involves harbour and open sea with strong currents, tide and wind. As you know, the RTM Duo is a two-man kayak, and I found that as the guy in the back, I was doing a lot of steering with the guy in the front providing most of the forward power. This had two major drawbacks. The first was that we did lose some forward motion trying to keep straight, and secondly, all the one-sided action took a toll on my back. At the end of the event, which lasted for over 4 hours with breaks, I felt I had a giant steel claw grasping it. The solution? Fit a rudder and both crew can power forward and use the rudder to sort out the direction. As RTM do not supply a rudder for this kayak, I checked out the internet to see if anyone else did a DIY version already made up, but without success. I did, however, find a company, FlexiFin, which supplied rudder kits, so I decided to make the adaptation myself. Where possible, I have used existing bolt holes, but this was not possible in fixing the aluminium strip, which was secured with stainless steel screws and sealant. I think you will get most of the information you require just by looking closely at the video. Obviously, if there's anything that needs clarification, just let me know and I will add it. Having now tested the rudder assembly out in the water, I am very satisfied with my work and I am looking forward to the next event.